The magic fish, okay.
And the small island.
On the small island, wow.
The small island have a dirty cat.
Oh, a dirty cat. Oh, goodness. What happened with all of this?
The cat, she says for turtle and for the bird. I can play with you. They said no. And then the big wave take out the magic fish out. And the fish say, please don't eat me. I will help you.
Oh,
And
wow. Then the cat, she said, how you will help me? And then the magic fish blow to face cat, and the cat come now, and then the cat come beautiful, and then the bird and the turtle, they allowed to cat play with them. Wow. Talia, that was amazing. Let's give Talia 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Wow. And I like how you changed your voices too. Help me. Don't eat me. I love that, Talia. That was amazing. Did you see how she used different voices when she was telling her story? It was like we were right there in the fairy tale with you. That is a wonderful fairy tale land, Talia. Amazing. I am like, wow. I really like the fact you use voices, Miss Roselle. Miss Roselle liked it too. Did you guys have any questions for Talia? No. Okay, anybody else would like to share? I'm gonna take you off the spotlight. Talia, that was amazing. You did fabulous. Told you you could do it, didn't I? Look at you blushing.